Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And now, after many months of delay, Recall has now started to roll out on insider machines. So those that are on Copilot plus PC computers, because it only works on these machines, so on the ARM-based PCs right now, you can actually use and enable Recall if you want to try it. Lots of modifications now are done, and of course, to answer all the requests of privacy concerns and so on, Microsoft has changed many things. So once you have it installed, you have a recall page in privacy and security where you can turn on or off the snapshots. If you want to not save any snapshots on your PC, turn it off. You can tell how much you want to use of storage for the recall feature, the snapshots that it keeps. And there's a lot of other things that it does. It does have a sensitive information filter, which means it doesn't snapshot everything. It recognizes things that you should not use snapshot for. And you have full control of what to snapshot or not, what apps you want to have snapshots on, and more like that. As for the data, once again, Microsoft says it's stored on your PC, does not go anywhere. And no, Microsoft can't see it because it requires the keys, the encryption keys for it, which Microsoft do not have, does not store, and cannot do anything about. If you use your encryption key for the recall snapshots, you just can't access them anymore. You'll have to start over. There is no way to access them. So, contrary to what a lot of people are just, telling whatever false information and fake news on many websites and many YouTube channels, a lot of the tech channels, which I do not respect much, that are going crazy over it, and you're spreading bad info. And finally, if you want to remove it, it's easy to remove. You just have to go to, the add or remove Windows features, and you'll have a page where turn on or off features. You can just remove the check mark in front of recall. It's going to delete all of the recall app, and it won't be on your PC anymore. So, as promised, it's an opt-in. Once you have it, it will ask you if you want it or not to, be active, and you have full control. So, if you want to try it, if you have a Copilot plus PC machine. And for those that are on AMD and Intel with NPUs that have Copilot plus PC capabilities eventually, it will eventually roll out to those machines too. And finally, nope, there's no cause of any concern or any problem with a little thing called recall that's on a standard PC. It works only on Copilot plus PCs, not on standard Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.